Okay, y'all, I am going to attempt to show you how to make one of these Mother's Day bouquets. My house is ridiculous right now. Kids are play fighting upstairs. They're supposed to be doing school, but it's the last day of online school, so the teachers have kind of given up. So here we go. Dog's gonna walk by, all kinds of stuff. And hopefully, I've tried to put my phone at different angles, and this seems to be the best. Okay, so here we go. We are going to start with brown paper. You need about a rectangle, okay? So not a full square, but a rectangle. And this is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to, with my little kid scissors here, cut the rectangle. I love really sharp scissors that just go, but the kid scissors are not it. Okay, so we have rectangle. Hardest part is making it freaking stay down, right? Okay, now we have two things of flowers. I like to have like these little filler kind of flowers, and I'll take the tags off for y'all. These are from the dollar store, okay? They look super cute in pictures. They look create a beautiful picture. I mean, they're dollar store flowers if you look up close, but it just creates a really great, beautiful feel to the gift. So we're taking the tags off. So I kind of spread the purple ones out, and I put them on the corner. Let's see if I can show you this. Can we see here? Sorry, it's like in the front facing thing. And then I'm gonna put the white ones on top. I'm gonna take them and kind of like, I hope you can see this. Yeah, bend them forward a little bit so they point towards, you know, where you're looking. It's the beauty of wiry flowers, right? And then you can even kind of pull these through a smidge so it like looks, you know, like they're all mixed in. You see that? Okay, there we go. Flowers ready. Now, the hard part, the folding. I'm gonna try to set this against the chair. Are we ready for this? Okay. So, I have the flowers on the corner. Okay, so I'm gonna face it towards you instead of me, which is gonna be a little hard for me, but that's okay. So, we have it on the corner. I'm gonna take this short, so we have a short side and a long side. I'm taking the short side and I'm folding it across the flowers. I'm gonna hold it up so you can see. We've got kind of an angle here, right? Okay, now I'm going to fold the bottom corner, this bottom corner, up halfway so that it touches. Sorry, it's hard to do this on the side. Okay, so I want it to like touch just below where the paper is gonna eventually cut off. See how it's like almost up to the flowers, but not all the way? Okay. I'm gonna kind of flatten it. And then I'm going to fold up again, okay, to the same spot, okay? All right, now I'm gonna take, and you can be like hot gluing as you go or not, it's really up to you. I'm gonna take this is what we have, right here, okay? This is where we're at. I'm gonna take right here and fold it over a little bit, just so it's not like super visible in the final product. And then I'm gonna fold it again. Okay, so I went from, so I had this long thing, I'm gonna fold it over, and then I'm gonna fold it again. And then I'm gonna tuck this back here, and I'm gonna hot glue it or tape it, depending on what I'm using. Okay? Now, see this little guy poking up? I'm gonna go back and fold that down, because that annoys me. Might not annoy some people, but it annoys me. So I'm gonna get that out of the way. I'll fold this back. Let me get my little tapey stuff here. I, of course, couldn't find the roll I already opened, so I'm starting a new roll. Y'all, kids, everyone's going insane. I just don't understand. Okay, so again, I could have taped all along. It might make it a little more secure, I don't know. But I for sure want to get that last piece on so that it's all secure. Now I had ribbon, here it is. Okay, I really like the pretty burlap, but this is what I had in my office already. And it's wired, and wired ribbon is great because you can, like, you know, make your bow prettier. So I just kind of rolled out, I don't know, what seemed like enough. Now I'm going to tie a bow around the flowers. And because it's an angle, it's not gonna stay, right? And so you need to tape it or hot glue it, whatever you're using. Again, last year I used like only hot glue, and this year, right now, I just don't know where my hot glue gun is. So I had bought this double-sided tape stuff from the dollar store. I'm just arranging the bow with the wire. That's why I love wired ribbon. You can like mush it all around until you get what you want. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the little wiry points so I don't hurt myself. Okay. All right, hold on. Let me tape the bow one. You guys, here they come. Hey, go upstairs. No, they seem to be doing art. You can see it. It's kind of annoying. Okay, so then you take product. So this is just like something I grabbed. The lip kit. And you tuck it down in there. Now I like for it to stick out a little bit so you can see what it is. I fit entire satin hand sets in here. I did charcoal mask and hydrating mask sets. I did application brushes, all kinds of stuff. But here is just an example of a beautiful Mother's Day bouquet. Everything except the product is from the dollar store. All right, thank y'all.
Bye. Bye.